Hi guys, subscribe to my channel, put a like button and place comment, and of course share this video among the world. Okay. Um, and yeah, to start with, I decided to show you how I answer some comments. Okay. So usually I just go to youtube.com and I will spoil right now my current recommendations, right? Then I go here. From here I can see 51. Okay, it's the number of subscribers, so I see how it grows. And here I see new comments. So currently you see like 3 comments 40 minutes ago. So let's just go through them. Okay. So first comment. Не знаю, как ты попал ко мне в рекомендации, но ты крутой. Okay, so basically he's saying I don't know how you end up in my recommendations, but you're cool. Okay, so I will say YouTube is magic. Okay, next. Very big comment, okay. Довольно неплохой английский, хорош, но как ты мог заметить, не особо у тебя получается рассказывать по теме, поэтому ютуберы пишут текст перед видосом. Хотя тебе вообще незачем так заморачиваться, стоило просто подготовиться хотя бы в том плане, что заранее подготовить ссылки и разобраться в теме. Ну и лично мне было бы интересно узнать, что делают команды, которые ты вводишь. Но мне кажется, что я просто не понял цели видоса, так что ладно. Может быть это не обучающее, а ты просто для себя снимаешь. Извини, что пристал со своим лишним мнением. Okay, so in general, this guy says that. By the way, he has some nice button here. Um, okay, okay, he's subscriber already 5 days. Okay, so basically he's saying that I should create some plan before doing some video. Okay, so yeah, it makes sense, but I will say that sorry, um, I'm not doing any plans at all. Um, yeah, I don't know. Do I need to explain why I don't do it or um? So yeah, I'm lazy. Okay, I'm lazy, and that's all basically. Okay. Okay, another guy, снимай на русском, пожалуйста. So basically, he's saying that um, he's asking me to record on Russian. Okay. Yeah, that's obvious. Also obvious because I mean, and we will look, but we'll look how many guys are actually from Russian countries. So um, my mom said uh, I should uh, talk on English. Sorry. Okay. Also, I can put some likes. Okay, so I put it to myself, so people will be happy, right? I will put likes everywhere. Okay. Mm, then let's go just to think about analytics. Okay. So here is some analytics, but if I want to see uh yeah, so as you can see, currently Russia is like 50% of my audience, and Ukraine is 20. So there's like 30% more from other countries. I see Germany, I mean English, not English, but okay, I see United States, 14 views. Also Netherlands, and basically that's all. Maybe also Cyprus. Okay, so I don't know why. Maybe that's because my video is recorded in Ukraine, and that's why it is shown in Ukraine and Russia. Maybe that's why. I don't know. I'm too lazy to analyze this stuff, so it really doesn't matter for me. Okay, so we are done with it. So now let's continue with what we will do. So as you remember, yesterday I created Linux. I hope it compiled. Yeah, as you can see, it compiled. Okay, and now what I will say to you is that remember we already installed modules, right? So they're already installed in some directory. I don't remember which one. So I will not install them. Okay, so I will just make, yeah. And remember, I compiled Linux without any security flags. So if I grab security dot config, okay, there is some, yeah, there is some stuff here. Uh, okay, that's strange because I remember that I disabled it. Anyway, I don't, to be honest, want to check that further. So basically, what we will do, and I will not compile, to be honest, anymore because I'm tired. But maybe we will compile just to see compilation without modules. Okay, so first let's make install, and of course sudo. Yeah, and we also remember we we find out how to do a benchmark, right? So we will create a benchmark and see if it's actually. I don't think, honest, to be okay. So first, we don't have any errors. Okay, so that's good. And that being said, is because we already installed all modules, so I did not run make install modules. Okay, so yeah, I will reboot right now. I will stop the video and just remember that we have created here some file perf. Okay, perf. So this file is showing the current stats. Okay, but now I will reboot and we'll see what will change. Okay. Okay, I'm back and it didn't work. So maybe we should always install modules, and obviously this is not very good, but modules. Mm, okay, maybe modules install. Yes, of course. I understand, man. I understand you. Okay, so probably we should also try um, to remove all modules from the config, and after that we will try to compile. I hope it will be fast. And after that, we will try to install everything, and we'll see will it work. And if yes, this is very cool because it does mean that you can use this technique to try to tune. I mean, to try changing config file and compile in minimal time, because you will not compile modules every time. Um, Okay, so what is the plan next? So, to be honest, I'm thinking about building something else, something more interesting, and to be honest, it's Firefox. So I had some tries, to be honest, in building it, and also Chromium or Chrome. Um, so yeah, it's quite hard, and it's logically right, because Linux is like bare C without any fancy libraries, right? So I don't think actually there is a lot of libraries in kernel space, right? So it's quite logical, right? Because Linux should be easily built, should be easily deployed without any dependencies, blah blah blah. And basically, this is so all software is based on using basically kernel, right? Um, so yeah, that's why, for example, building Firefox is quite hard. And yeah, basically there is no alternative. So I mean, in browsers, the easiest I think browser to build is Firefox. I mean, there's like some dummy simple browsers, but they're not working at all in our modern world. So yeah, so it's definitely a good opportunity to try to build Firefox. Okay, and actually, let's see while it's installing. Maybe I should use it with multi-threading. So I will check Firefox Git Mozilla. Okay, Mozilla. Okay, it's not what I'm searching for. Maybe it doesn't even have Firefox. Firefox. Yep, it does not have it, and this is pretty bad. Okay, what if I will go to just general GitHub and search Firefox here? Probably there will be some mirror or some stuff. Hmm. By the way, I just saw that someone follow me. Nice. Maybe subscriber. Okay, so even here I don't see any Firefox, okay? It's bad, you know. Mozilla, why do you don't use GitHub? Um, okay, so Firefox download. Um, okay, for different operating system. Yeah, I don't see anything here, but it is really possible because, for example, Gentoo, right? It is distribution that is building everything. So let's see here. Binary package. Okay, it doesn't say where it takes it. Okay, let's try Arch. Arch, or maybe even our Firefox, because our is probably more. Okay, so some Firefox nightly, right? Nightly, it can be from. Uh, okay, so let's view package build. Okay, what is this link? Mozilla. Yep, download for Linux. Get sneak peek. But this is not what I'm looking for. Do you understand me? Um, so I don't know. It's bad. Our Firefox kit. Okay, guys, I don't know. Maybe it's not there. Uh, build. Hmm. Oh, by the way, it installed. Okay, so let's continue with make install. So, build Firefox from source. Okay, clone Firefox. Nice. They're using Mercurial. Oh my god, guys, someone is using it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Mercurial Mozilla Center. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Okay, so we find out that they actually provide us code. Okay, this is great. So, I installed my stuff. I don't see any errors. Also, we can always do this one. Okay, so let's reboot right now. Yeah, guys, I rebooted successfully, so you can have a cup of coffee or I don't know what you want. So let's just check that we uname means say we use this kernel that I built and um, that is new because I did it, yeah, at 9. Yeah, so we are good. We are really good. We are super good. So yep, there that is the kernel without security because I disabled it. Um, so now let's again. I don't remember the command for bench. Yeah. So I will try to find it out. And this is pretty bad, right? Because I should have saved it and run the same command. Example. Okay, okay. CPU performance. Does it say about CPU? No. Check with LM bench. No, this is not the command I used. And this is not either. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, which command I used? CPU. Oh, guys, nice, nice, I found it. Super, super duper. Okay, so I save it to perf2. Okay, it's done. So let's open it up. Okay, okay, so pretty bad, right? Why? Because let's see the previous run with an kernel with security. Uh, Linux.perf, but not so bad, you know. Oh wait, yeah, bad. So with the security we got 1489, and here without security we get 147. Okay, let's look further. Total time 10 seconds. Okay, they're the same. Total number of events, of course, is less. Let's go next. Latency, minimum, so it's better. Or I mean, worser. It's worser. Oh my god. I mean, we could say it's the same because it's like plus minus, so it's not actually the right way. Okay, so max is pretty bad. 5 some. Okay, so we did not get any latency performance better. Thread fairness, okay? Thread fairness. 3676 for 1. Okay, I don't know what is for 1. Here this is the same, and here is not the same because here is for 1. Okay, let's check what is this means. The output you're provided is related thread fairness. Oh, yes, TDDEV. What is TDDEV? This represents the standard deviation of the number of events completed by each thread. A lower standard deviation, generally more consistent or fair execution across threads. In your case, started a lower, more consistent. So lower is better, and we have higher. Okay, guys. So I think it's a logical point to wrap up Linux kernel stuff. So we find out that disabling some features, for my case it was security features, did not um, impacted the performance, at least in better way. Maybe even worse, but I mean it's probably the same because those statistics we get, of course, they are not like perfect. So I'm not sure actually how Linus and other Linux guys are benchmarking stuff. Maybe of course they have some their own stuff to benchmark, but from this statistic I did not get any improvements. So the conclusion of this video is that you should choose the kernel that is provided by your distribution, okay? Even if you have Gentoo or something where when you build from source kernel, you can just build the default config and don't actually care about it that much. I mean, in scope of desktop, of course, in embedded world, of course, you will have to pay attention. And yeah, I actually don't imagine how they're like paying attention and knowing um, each feature name and blah blah blah. But again, also I had an idea. Oops, an idea of let's imagine that we are watching Linux Git, okay, Git log, okay, and let's for example we have this conf, right? So and for example we are interested in this feature. Yeah. By the way, let's check git log a little bit closer. So this is the merge. Okay, so I don't know, is it a flag actually? I don't think so. So in theory they can say when they implement some feature. Maybe they also have some change log. No? Okay. Anyway, what I wanted is let's search for word in git commits. The search pattern, git log, navigate, git log groups, grep. Yeah, that's what I want, I think. Um, so git log, and the keyword is this one. Oh no, no this one, but vim.config, this one, for example. Let's wait a little bit. I mean, it shouldn't take a lot of time, right? But if it has a lot of commits in its aspect, yes. Okay, I will grab some water meanwhile. Okay, I did not grab some water because it's already finished, but as we can see, it didn't find anything. So this is okay, guys. So yeah, let's conclude this video on the point that that don't actually build kernel from source. uh, don't actually change config file. Uh, I mean, the job that I found yesterday, basically, I think it will involve kernel configuration stuff. So I don't have any idea how I will do it, but but yeah. But if we are talking about usual experience with desktop, then really, guys, don't touch it. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So put a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share this video among the world. Bye bye.